Hi everyone, how you doing? Phil here from Phil's Honest Reviews. As promised, I've now done a second fix on the DeWalt nailer, the second fix nailer. I've replaced a few parts. If you've seen my previous videos, I said which ones I was going to do. I'll flip this around in a minute and I'll show you. Okay, so what I've replaced, a couple of guides. This is the one I was trying to describe to you. I don't know if you can see that. I think when the guide, one of the guides was broken, you can see there's like two little grooves at the bottom of this, which I'm assuming has been caused by that going through at the incorrect height. I've replaced that, as I say, the guides, this piece, and this was the original piece that I replaced. This should be like two springs. And it sits at the back of the nailer. What's quite impressive is I've replaced those parts. It appears to be working. I'm quite stunned, to be honest. I didn't think it was going to work. The other plus I've since discovered is that the nail seems to be working as well. So there you go, perseverance, and save myself another 200-300 quid. All right, speak to you soon. Take care.